manufacturing perfection through advanced technology and automation. Manufacturing perfection through comprehensive design for manufacturing and engineering. Manufacturing perfection through dedicated manufacturing cells for increased speed and accuracy. Manufacturing perfection with eye-catching case and tray designs that deliver form, fit, and function with style. For over 50 years, Phillips Precision has bridged the gap between engineering ideas and manufacturing, maximizing quality and output through new technology and integrated Lean 5S strategies, resulting in shorter lead times, cost reductions, and increased output for high-volume manufacturing. Implants, instrumentation, custom-engineered delivery systems, cases, and trays are all made in the USA. World-class manufacturing makes a world of difference. It's how we think that makes us different.